Hello, this is Tyler with Dzinesco, and in this video I will be showing you a step-by-step guide to making a laser cut and hand-stitched wallet. The design is available as a free SVG file that can be loaded into a laser cutter or as a standard print PDF file that can be printed on a home printer. All the materials and tools used in this project are linked in the video's description. I use Autodesk Fusion to design my wallets. It helps me bring my ideas to life with precision and creativity using its powerful 3D modeling and visualization tools. I can design complex or simple shapes easily and efficiently, and the user-friendly interface allows me to make sure every detail is perfect. I break the design down into individual panels to ensure that everything lines up properly. This step is crucial to ensuring that all the panels fit together as intended. Before breaking it down, I create the entire design in one layer first, making sure that all the components are placed correctly and proportionately. This ensures that the final product will have a cohesive and professional look. After designing the wallet in Autodesk Fusion 360, I saved the design as a DXF file and import it into Lightburn, a laser cutting software. This allows me to bring my Fusion design to life using the precision of a laser cutter. The process of transferring the design from Fusion to Lightburn is straightforward, ensuring a smooth transition from design to final product. I use the laser cutter to cut out the panels for my wallets, but it actually takes longer than traditional methods. Despite this, it speeds up the assembly process and ensures that all panels fit together as intended. However, the laser leaves soot in the thread holes, which I clean up by running a needle with thread through the holes. It takes additional time. Overall, using the laser cutter has its advantages and disadvantages, but the end result is a well-made wallet. I use the Latitool F50 laser, which I purchased from Amazon. It's an affordable option with the 5-watt laser. It works well for my needs. However, a more powerful laser would improve the process and make it even better. I prefer to hand stitch the wallet without the leather stitching pony, though I used it in making the video for ease of filming. However, I find that hand stitching without the pony gives me more control over the sewing process. Although there may be some distractions in the background like the kids making spaghetti, I focus on sewing the wallet to make sure it's of the highest quality. I omitted the steps of cleaning out the thread holes and skiving the leather in the video. Skiving involves slitting out the leather to prevent bulkiness in the wallet. Just a heads up, this may look like I'm lightning fast at stitching, but in real life I'm more of a slow and steady wins the race kind of stitcher. Don't be fooled by the speedy video. Get ready to unleash your inner craftsman with this leather etching process. First, give those edges a good bevel, then round them off with sandpaper. Start rough and work your way to smoother grits. Next, grab your trusty Tokonole burnishing gum, because it's time to put in some elbow grease with the leather edge slicker burnishing tool. That's hard to say. Finally, give it a good buff with a cloth. You'll have the sharpest, smoothest leather edges in town. Perfect for when you're in the mood to edge up your game. After finishing with my leather edge slicker burnishing tool, I like to flex my biceps and give it a good workout, buffing and shining until it's ready for its close-up. Finally, I give it a final touch-up with my trusty beard brush, because who doesn't want a leather with beard residue? And voila, the masterpiece is complete, ready to be admired by all. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and download the pattern to make your own wallet. Who knows, you might even impress your barber with your leather crafting skills.